Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to get CapCut Pro in 2025, quick, easy, and hassle-free. If you've been wondering how to unlock all the premium features, stick around because I'll guide you step by step. First, open up your CapCut app on your device. Once you're in, look at the top left corner next to your username and click Join Pro. If you're on the main menu, just tap that button, and if you're already editing a project, don't worry. You'll see the same Join Pro option right at the top. Once you click it, a pop-up window will appear showing the subscription plans. You have two choices: a monthly subscription for €1 or a yearly subscription for €10. Take a moment to choose the plan that works best for you. Right below, you'll also see a list of all the premium effects and features you'll get access to once you subscribe. Next, tap Purchase, and you'll be taken to the payment page. Here, you can choose between PayPal or a credit or debit card. If you go with PayPal, simply link your account. If you choose a credit or debit card, enter your card number, expiration date, security code, and the cardholder's name. After filling in your payment details, just tap Purchase again. That's it. Your payment will go through, and instantly all CapCut Pro effects and features will be unlocked and ready to use. You can start creating professional looking videos right away. And there you have it. Super simple and fast. If this guide helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and happy editing with CapCut Pro.